Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. फैशन ने ना आता है वीडियो में आपको खुशामदीद कहती हूँ। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप तमाम लोग खैरियत से होंगे। होप यू आर फाइन। और मेरी अल्लाह पाक की वीडियो है आप तमाम लोग इसी तरह खुश रहें, आबाद रहें, महफूज रहें। सो व्यूअर्स चलते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ। आज की वीडियो में आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं बहुत ही प्रिटी, बहुत ही स्टाइलिश, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन स्टाइलिश कलेक्शन रिलेटेड टू कैंडल स्टैंड्स। ब्यूटीफुल स्टाइलिश कैंडल स्टैंड्स, beautiful and stylish candle stands for your tea table, for your decoration ideas. Related to all decoration ideas, I can provide you the best and best ideas related to all type of collection, the best and stylish ideas related to craft ideas, related to jute craft ideas, related to all type of fashion. If you get more latest ideas related to fashion, related to leather stuff, leather pants, leather skirts, bodycon dresses, I can provide you the best and best collection of 2020 seasonal video, summer collection, winter collection. So in this video I can provide you the best and stylish ideas related to decoration ideas including the candle stands, beautiful and stylish candle stands, decorative candle stands with the different type of stuff related to flowers, ribbons, and different type of craft items. You can easily purchase the craft items, and you can easily decorate the candle stand with your own style, with your own manner. I can provide you the stylish and most trendy candle stands. I hope you like my video. I hope you like these type of candle stand ideas. This type of candle ideas related to all type of home decoration ideas, home decoration stuff. I hope these videos, these kind of candle stands are useful for your homes, are useful for choice. I hope you like this video and share my videos with your friend, family and relatives. First of all, you subscribe my channel and then press the bell icon to get the new notification of my latest videos on time. Fashion.net provide you all type of collection related to fashion and related to art related to jute craft ideas, related to decoration ideas, related to all type of interior decoration. If you get more latest ideas related to interior decoration, so kindly subscribe, and in below comments you can also comment in the comment section. If you get more latest ideas related to all type of fashion and art collection, you can easily comment in the comment section, and I can provide you the best and best ideas related to all type of collections. So thank you so much for appreciating our efforts. Thank you so much for your comments, because your comments is a source of motivation for me. Take care of yourself and your family members. Remember me in your face. Till the next video. Fi aman Allah. Allah Hafiz, friends.